As you can see, it started blinking. That's really fast. That's on a really fast cycle. And the building is called Cromwell. Now the local community mental health team is called Cromwell House. And that's just started today on the 28th of April 2025. And it is signalling the end of times for the NHS and for the Watchtower, who are false idols in the eyes of Jehovah. And this is Eccles New Road, Salford. That's just started as I've just turned onto this road here, Edward Avenue. Again, I walk up here every morning, and that's just only just started today. Fuck it, I'm going to investigate. Right, I'm on the approach to it, and as I've come up here, that light has just turned off. There, it's just turned off, and that one started flashing. It's just switching between appliances. I haven't seen this behaviour for probably 2 or 3 months now. And so I'm on a walk. I don't want to pan round because it'll go off and I'll miss it. But this is 100% supernatural from Jehovah, and it's signalling the end of times for the NHS and for Watchtower. That's just powered off as I'm getting closer to it. And I'm listening to music at the moment. And the song that was playing, it's on something called autoplay, which so your phone decides what music to play, and it was Mary's Boy Child. It only just come on as I turn onto Edward Avenue. Another one, let's see, that one's just gone off. Which is, yeah, that man was just talking to me, asked if I was lost. But Edward Avenue, as soon as I come onto here, it's triggered them to flash and then eventually power off. Which is the exact behaviour that we've seen before in the supernatural. Jehovah communicates via natural phenomena, via earthquakes, natural disasters. Well, they call them disasters. I don't call them disasters. I call them natural messages. And the most common, in use, natural messaging system is electricity. And Jehovah God uses electricity to communicate with us in abnormal behaviour in appliances, including lighting systems in commercial and domestic dwellings, and also in public street lighting. Look at the crows. 3. They are a harbinger of death, and they've all landed on the vault. West Hotel. So, get what you can from these messages this morning.